My level now feel the same. What's my name? I just call pictures in my phone. My level now feel the same. What's my name? I'm studier. Hey.
Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov. In this video we do amazing set of gel nails, and I'm going to calculate how much gel we spend on this set of nails. I mean how many milliliters will go on each client and how much money I spend for the product for doing one set of gel nails. I'm not going to place the container on the scale because I think that for long nails we spend more product than for doing short set of gel nails. I just have calculated the number of clients that Andrew Teddy Bear has in 1 month. It's 200 clients. I gave him 4 containers with the sculpting mix gel. Each container has 60 milliliters. The size of this container is comfortable to use. The less size we should change containers because they over very fast, for example in case with the small containers. And if you have the larger container, it's not comfortable to work with because the container is too big. It's not easy to load the gel on the brush, and it can be spoiled because of the sun if you work by the window. So this is the middle size. It's very comfortable to use, and as a result I have calculated it's enough one container for 50 clients. He spent 4 containers for 200 of clients. So if we divide one container on 50 clients, we have the amount of product for the one client. So we finally have the sum of gel on one client. It's 50 cents. So you spend only 50 cents on sculpting mix gel to do such beautiful long gel nails. I don't calculate cheap products like files and gel polish. They are less than 50 cents. So we spend only $1 for products. And if we compare it with the products that masters spend on the other services of beauty, this is very profitable, especially if you work at home. Now we're talking about the sculpting mix gel from shapeofnail.com. You also asked me, guys, how to become the professional nail masters, and if it's possible only watching videos at home and practicing on your other hand on your friends. It's more than possible. I have created this special course for you. On the course I give you unlimited time to practice. I never limit your time. For example, one student, she is studying for the half of the year when she has the free time. That's great when you have a chance to get education, when you, for example, have the small amount of time once a week. I have recorded 10 big lessons for you. And of course it's not only my sitting and speaking on camera. One of the best dignity of my course, of course, the schemes. I have made in graphic more than 1000 of schemes. Learning the materials from the scheme, even the child can get the perfect education because it's easy to understand. Sometimes educators can't explain their ideas on their hands. I have created the schemes. And of course my emotional explanations.
Just take a look, I always keep my hand correctly, even while showing you. Keeping the pinky here and moving up and down in this area. I hope you understand that we lift up particles here. Brush off, not to the downside. Easily, couple of times.
Will also help you to understand all details of the work and our technique. I just want you to watch some samples of the first lesson, then you understand what I mean. And what is education process? You watch the lesson, do your homework, and take a photo of your nails or nails of your model and send me on my email. I check your work and give you feedback, what to correct, what to change. If it's okay, I give you access to the next lesson. And I think this is the best way to get professional education, because sometimes you don't have a lot of time when you have offline education, and educator can't give you enough time, and when you don't understand some details, you are not able to do good sets of gel nails. To attend classes, you shouldn't to register anywhere. All education process is only on our email, private messages, and you never face with other students. You can order this course on shapeofnail.com now with 50% sale. Let me tell you about success of Andrew Teddy Bear. He is working now on the video. 11 years ago, he was the first student. Before doing nails, he was the builder. No one believed that he could do such beautiful sets of nails and be such successful and famous in Russia. But I was sure that I could give him the perfect education. The phenomenon of Andrew Teddy Bear, this amazing and unique nail technician, is one secret. He never changed his technique and methods. 11 years ago, I have shown him all these things that he's doing now, and he has never changed. He does year by year the same he learned at my course. He just added one thing, the hardware manicure using the mushroom gel bit. So you can check it. Just step back on our old videos. By the way, the channel was created about 10 years ago. In the old videos, he did the same things. And you can also see hands of the same clients. That means, guys, that he has the steady success. He doesn't need to change anything. He is applying the ideal shape of gel nails. No one can criticize him. Russian nail masters who rock with their hardware Russian style manicure, they just can't tell anything on this, because no one can do such ideal shapes of nails, such infills, with the lifting up nails in such short periods. It's about 1 hour to apply the ideal manicure, the ideal shape of the nail, and the beautiful nail design. No one can do it faster. And I hope that I ever see that nail master. Then I start singing songs about his or her techniques. But now I'm proud of my first student, Andrew Teddy Bear, and I invite you guys to attend my classes, the education course for the beginners on shapeofnail.com. So guys, when you ask me about results of my students, offline or online students, you just only watch work of my first student, Andrew Teddy Bear. I was only 2 years experienced nail master. It's about 11 years ago. And I gave the perfect education to my brother. That technique was ideal. And I'm never going to change it. I'm going to give education to students. All things that we do and all things that help me and my brother to earn money and to promote this fantastic technique all over the world. In 2011, I have taught thousands of students all over the world with those famous one-stroke nail art technique and 3D acrylic nail designs. That was online education school based in Canada, the Nadia Beauty. I remember those times when these techniques were extremely popular, and my computer was full of homeworks of my students, and I just could only sitting by the computer and check the homeworks. Now a lot of people all over the world want to have a successful career in the nail industry. Just look on nails of celebrities of show business. They are always long. You should do amazing long gel nails. And we teach you to do such amazing gel nails with the craziest beautiful nail designs. And you shouldn't also think that everything is simple. There are a million details in this work. Sometimes even me, experienced nail educator, sometimes I find out something new. And I also share this knowledge with you guys. I have combined and compiled all these skills and technique into the one course, which will be suitable not only for the beginners, but for experienced nail technicians. So this course is very informative. It has thousands of schemes which will help you to feel the details. This course now is available on Shape of Nail with the sale 50%. Thanks for watching this fantastic set of gel nails, guys. I'm trying to publish new videos every day. So, see you tomorrow. Bye!
This way and this way.